Hold on, let me tell you something. You see how your mother make the dumpling and use them finger here and make it like this? Make it like a man no make dumpling so. That's why I don't eat dumpling from a woman. Man, before we go further, you see them finger here? Them finger here going a pum pum. You taste it. Especially when you're young, you taste it with them finger here. You don't use them a finger here when you make man dumpling. Man dumpling make like this. No, serious. Man dumpling make like this. You use this. No man ever put this a big finger here. So you use this. Watch me. You use this, we do like this. You see how for the pum pum finger them. You do like this. Yeah.